Okay, people, today we are going to discuss one more important question in mathematical induction, that is the sum of the sequence. The sum of the sequence 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus and so on up to n terms. Then which of the following will be the correct option? Now we'll see this question. So it's a very simple, it's a basic level already. So we have some idea about that progressions. See what is that given one? That is that 5 plus 55 plus 555, okay, plus and so on up to n terms. This is that given one up to n terms. Say here from all this, if you take the 5 is common, it becomes that if you take that 5 is common, 1 plus this is the 11 plus this one is a 111 plus and so on up to n terms. Up to n terms. So please all of you observe it very carefully. This up to n terms. Now after this one you convert all these terms into the digit 9, so that you divide and multiply with 9. 5 by 9 into this one will be 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on up to n terms. Up to n terms, right? So now, so what is that use to convert in terms of the digit 9? So you see this one you can write that 5 by 9 into, here that 9 you can write that 10 minus 1, right? So 99 is that 100 minus 1. This one you can write that 1000 minus 1, okay, plus and so on up to n terms. This one is up to n terms. Up to n terms. See here all that this you can write that 5 by 9 into, here that 10, 100, 1000, you separate all these values. Then we can write that 10 power 1, 100 is that a 10 square, 1000 is that a 10 cube and so on. How many terms will be there? N terms will be there. So it will be 10 to the power of n. So this is the first one. Next minus 1. How many times will comes? N times. So that is that minus n. Say here in this one, that is equals to 5 by 9 into, so here you take that 10 is the common, that becomes 1 plus 10 plus 10 square plus and so on plus 10 power n minus 1, right? So this is the first part, minus n. See all of you look at this. Here by observing this part is in the geometric progression. This one is in geometric progression. So you know it is that contains that n terms. Sum of the n terms in GP will be equals to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. This is that if r is greater than 1. Suppose r will be less than 1, then we can write that a into 1 minus r power n whole divided by 1 minus r. So if this one is that r is less than 1. What is meant by r? R is that it is the common ratio. R is that common ratio. What is that A? A is that first term. A is that first term, right? So now you apply this formula in that above. You will be get that is equals to 5 by 9 into here the 10 into in the above series the first term is that 1. What is the common ratio? Second term by first term, or third term by second term, like that. So here that r value is that 10. 10 is the greater than 1. So you can write that this one as 1 into here, that is that r value is the 10 power n minus 1 whole divided by 10 minus 1. So this is that sum of the n terms in geometric progression minus n. So now you simplify, this value will be 5 by 9 into here 10 by 10 minus 1 is the 9. So 10 into 10 power n minus 1 whole divided by 9 minus n. So now your right answer will be, so you see what is that given options. In the given options you have that, so first option A is not the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. 5 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9 minus n. So your right answer will be that option B is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please all of you like, share and subscribe this channel. All of you please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.